Hear the song about your boy, about the 89ers boy. He does so many things and we don't know what it brings, but he always tries so hard. Later on, it's Friday night, the disco lights are shining bright. He has to play some songs for some motherfucking hunks who are shouting all the time. And we stand here together, together forever. And I say hello, everybody singing whoa. Yes, yes, sure. Then they asked some little chicks, what the hell is going on this mix? Please be patient for a while, psychedelic music style, it's exactly what he likes. And after all is said and done, when all the people they are having fun, they are jumping all around to the 89er sound, and it's looking really hot. And we stand here together, together forever. And I say hello, everybody singing whoa.
The 89ers gonna punk this place.